Intermediate 2. The ethical implications of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering, particularly through technologies like CRISPR, has opened up unprecedented possibilities in medicine and agriculture. By manipulating the DNA of living organisms, scientists can potentially cure hereditary diseases, increase crop yields, and even bring extinct species back to life. However, these advancements bring significant ethical dilemmas that society must address. The prospect of designer babies, where parents can choose specific traits like intelligence or physical appearance for their children, raises concerns about inequality and the definition of what it means to be human. Moreover, there are fears regarding the long-term ecological consequences of releasing genetically modified organisms into the wild. If a modified species outcompetes natural ones, it could lead to a loss of biodiversity and the collapse of entire ecosystems. Additionally, the commercialization of genetic patents could allow large corporations to control the world's food supply and life-saving medicines. While the potential for reducing human suffering is immense, it's crucial to establish rigorous international regulations, and we must proceed with caution, ensuring that our desire for scientific progress does not compromise our moral values or the stability of the natural world.